we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. And location. And here is the nearby attractions, sunlight, and also you can find comfort reviews and reviews sometimes are happening about guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is found. Yes, love to enjoy the surroundings. Several hills and mountains are available on tourist property along with various plants and village policy. Provided in the description. Property. Be safe, be happy.